Meaning of decagon.
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 Decagon. A decagon is a geometric shape that consists of 10 sides and 10 angles. The word deca means 10 in Greek, so decagon literally translates to 10 angles. Decagons are often used in architecture and design, as well as in mathematical and scientific applications. They can be regular or irregular, depending on the length of each side and the size of each angle. The properties of a decagon can vary depending on these factors, but they all share the common characteristic of having 10 sides and 10 angles.